Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the dress fiber and care symbols, so you use the right water temperature and method. Once you know that, gently blot loose dirt with a clean cloth. You avoid rubbing because friction pushes particles deeper. Next, mix a mild detergent solution and test on an inconspicuous seam to confirm color fastness. If the test is fine, proceed to spot treat the stained area immediately. Prompt action reduces dye bonding and makes the next steps more effective. You now attack the stain with controlled, targeted techniques. Work from the outside in to prevent spreading, and use a soft brush or cloth with diluted detergent for embedded dirt. For grease or oil, apply a small amount of dish soap. For protein stains, use enzyme-based cleaner. Gently agitate, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with cool water to lift loosened particles. Make sure to repeat spot treatment and rinsing until the stain visibly lightens, because residues can attract more dirt later. You finish by rinsing thoroughly and following the label for drying. Air dry flat or hang to preserve shape and avoid heat if any stain remains, since dryers can set it. Once dry, inspect under good light. If a faint mark persists, try a diluted vinegar rinse or a targeted stain remover, then rewash. If the stain refuses to budge after these careful attempts, take the dress to a professional cleaner. They have solvents and methods that prevent damage while removing stubborn soils.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.